Hello, this is Joe at Poppy Media, and this installment of the WordPress training is for posting. It's creating our first post. It is a multi-part series, and we're going to look at taking an article and posting it to your blog, and also updating it and using some basic formatting features, and also adding some linking and how to link, and we'll take a lot of the geek stuff out of it for you, make it real simple. Okay. When you log into your dashboard, you're going to get back into your dashboard, and here we go. So we're going to pull down our post menu and then go to add new, and then you're going to get your utility here to add a new post. Now, I've already written my article in Notepad and I have it all ready to go, and the first thing I want to do is get my title. And here's my title of my post. I live here in West Virginia, Appalachia. So we're going to title this Bird Watching with Children in West Virginia. Basically, I'm going to drag my mouse holding the left button and highlight everything I want to capture. I can either go edit and cut, which I will do, or I can do Control X. And then I'll come back to my post and hit a Control V to paste. And that's how you post. Or you can go up to edit and Control V paste. You can do it that way. Now, when we come over here into our title, we want to have some things here in the title to make sure it stands out properly. We got a couple things we got to fix. We got a W here that needs to be capitalized, and we have a C here. Alright, so that's how we want to title our post. Now, it took about a minute or so, but what happens is WordPress begins to make your permalink, or the actual link to this particular post. And bird watching in West Virginia is going to be our category and tag. Actually, our tags for our category of mountain living. So if there's something went wrong, we didn't like this, we could always edit it. We can fix it in here. Just make sure you put a dash between each word and no special characters. It's words. No apostrophes, exclamations, things like that. Just the letters and the words. We'll click OK. And so this is what our link is going to look like. Alright. Now we want to throw our post into the post area, this editing box right here. And when we do that, let's go back to our article. And we're going to come down here and edit everything here and above, highlight it all, hit Control C to copy, or we can do the edit and copy, and come down to our post and hit Control V. As you see, it pressed inside or posted inside that editing box. And when you do that, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you save everything over there. So as you see, there's a button over here in the right hand corner under Publish that says Save Draft. Now, the newer versions of WordPress will auto save, but you can wait for that to happen, or you can save the draft right there. If you wanted to save it immediately, that's where you do it. If you want to preview any of your additions, you must save it first so that the preview knows what to preview for you. Alright, as you see right here, the draft was saved. Okay, so now we can preview our post. Alright, that's the way it looks. Pretty nice. Okay, simple article. Not bad. We'll scroll down to the bottom. Very good. Okay, now let's go back to our other tab. Now, we want to fix a couple things here. First of all, our tags are empty. There's a couple things we want to tag this with. Bird watching, comma. You always separate your tags with commas. And we're going to do West Virginia. If you have more tags, that's fine. Single word, multiple word tags, it's up to you. What these tags are going to do is kind of give an understanding to the category that we're going to choose here. So it's bird watching in West Virginia, and our category, we scroll down here, is mountain living. Okay, so mountain living is our category because we live out here in Appalachia, and there's some of the things that folks do out here in the gorgeous Appalachian Mountains is bird watching, and so that's what we're going to do our tags. Now, if I had any famous photographers or I was talking about any other particular issues, I would tag that as well. All right, let's scroll down a little bit. Now, if you have multiple authors in your blog, this is where you'd select them. Okay. Now, this block right here, all-in-one SEO pack, we're going to have a separate training module just on this alone. So for right now, we're going to leave this alone, but we're going to definitely come back to this. All right, now let's go back up to the top. We did our post, we put it in there, and now we want to publish it. All done. Now it's published, and we can view it. There we go. See? All done. Now let's hit the back button, go back to our editing, and in the next module we'll show you how to edit it, this post just a little bit, fix any issues that have come up with it, any formatting, grammar, things like that, and also play with the kitchen sink here, some tools that'll make it a lot nicer for you. Okay, so we look forward to seeing you in that next video. Take care. Again, Joe here at Poppy Media.